Hey, what's up you guys? Shara back with another video, and in this video I want to share with you guys and maybe inspire you guys to want to grow a business on YouTube. So what I'm gonna teach you in this video is how you can make a money-making machine, like a money-making machine business from YouTube. So what you basically do is, I'm gonna share with you right now, is you create a YouTube channel. Let's say this is your YouTube channel, and you start posting content on it. So you post a video and another video and another video, and you keep doing that to grow your subscribers and your audience. Let's say this is gonna take some time because you need to put in the work to make a video consistently. The better is to make videos make videos daily, so you can grow it even faster, because YouTube likes that. YouTube likes people posting and sharing stuff online daily, and doesn't like the people who just make a video and then 2 weeks later make another one, and then a month later, and then a year later. No, you want to make videos daily or stay consistent. Make a video every other day or make a video every week, but stay consistent with it. And you need to make a good quality content. So you make a value-based video about whatever you want, whatever niche you're in. You want to make a video about that every single day, or just consistently. That's the key, consistency, because YouTube, the algorithm, wants consistency from you. So when you start making videos daily, your views and your subscriber base is gonna grow. What you're gonna do with that channel and your subscriber base, your audience, is you're gonna monetize it. My favorite way of monetizing it is with affiliate marketing. So we're gonna put AF. So you're gonna monetize your YouTube channel with affiliate marketing, and that's basically your business. This is your business, your affiliate marketing business. And what you're gonna do is make videos, and at the end of the videos you're gonna give a call to action to your affiliate marketing product or whatever you're promoting, so you can make money with this. And then once you have a big enough subscriber base and views, you can put ads on your videos, ads to your channel and your videos. What that's gonna do is, while you're making videos and growing your views, YouTube ads are gonna pay you for that. You're gonna make money from ads. You're gonna make money from ads, and what you can do with this money is reinvest it to your affiliate marketing business, and you can grow that. So basically what YouTube is doing is paying you to grow your affiliate marketing business. So you promote a product with your YouTube channel and your videos. You get money from ads, and the money from ads you reinvest it to your business. You can put those ads on YouTube or Facebook or Google, and then you're gonna grow your affiliate marketing business. That's crazy, guys. YouTube literally pays you to grow your affiliate marketing business, or whatever business you want. It doesn't have to be affiliate marketing. Basically, YouTube ads are gonna pay you to grow your affiliate marketing business. And if you guys don't know what to promote, or don't know how to leverage systems to get 6 figures or 7 figures and don't know how to use that money to grow that business. In the link in the description, I've put a system that I've been leveraging to make money online from YouTube by promoting them from YouTube videos. If you guys want that, go on the link in the description so you can start leveraging that system so you can make money online. And you can use this that strategy to grow it even more. Make YouTube videos, put ads on it. YouTube is gonna pay you. Get that money, reinvest it in your business. If you learned something really valuable from this video, make sure you like this video. Subscribe if you want more tips and strategies like this. I'm gonna keep making more of these videos and how to make money online. And by saying that, see you guys in the next video.